Here's how to let your friends join your private server in Roblox. Now, the first thing we're going to do is open up the Roblox app on your iPhone, Android, or computer. It works the same. Now, let's get to the list of all of your private servers by tapping on the More button at the very bottom right. And then we can scroll down and tap on Inventory. You can either go directly to the game if you already know where that private server is, or see the entire list of all of your private servers. To be able to do that, we can filter instead of the category accessories, we need to filter it just for private servers. And in this case, I'm going to go to this free one and I can tap on it and open up Blue Lock Rivals. Now I need to get to that private server. So towards the bottom there, you can see the socials, YouTube, etc. And I'm going to tap on servers here. And it will open up my server. You can see it's currently inactive. I can tap on those three dots here and hit configure. On here, I'm going to allow other people to join it just by turning on allow joining. However, you can also just manually add people if you wanted to invite them to join with you. To do that, we're going to turn on connections allowed and hit add people. All we need to do now is start to search for their name. So just type in their name and then you can tap on it and then invite them or add them to your private server.